Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtech. If you've been using Instagram for a while, you're probably aware that the platform allows you to manage multiple accounts from a single app. This feature is incredibly useful for those who handle personal business or creative accounts simultaneously. However, there might come a time when you need to declutter your Instagram app by removing some of these accounts. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can do just that easily and efficiently. First things first, when you want to remove an account, simply open up Instagram on your phone. Now look at the lower right corner where your profile icon is located. If you press and hold this icon, Instagram will display all the accounts that are currently logged in on your device. This view not only shows you which accounts are active, but also allows you to switch between them. So this is very neat. Now, since your goal is to remove an account, you can't just delete or edit them from this list, which would be nice for sure, but it's just not how it works. Instead, you'll need to select the account you wish to delete. Just tap on it to switch over to that particular profile. Once you're there and viewing the profile you want to remove, find the hamburger menu, which is symbolized by 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this to open up more options. As you scroll through this menu, head all the way down to the bottom where you will find the red logout button. It's crucial to note here that logging out is synonymous with removing the account from your device. Once you click log out, Instagram will confirm your action, and upon confirmation, that account will no longer appear in your active profile list on the device. Now, if you have multiple accounts to remove, remember that Instagram doesn't allow bulk removals. You'll have to repeat this process for each individual account. It might sound tedious, but it's a straightforward procedure. Most likely you don't have an excessive number of accounts, so it shouldn't take too much of your time. I should also mention another feature called the Account Center. This is a hub where you can manage linked experiences across Instagram and other Facebook-owned platforms. You can also add or remove accounts here, but the process differs slightly from what we've discussed today. So that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove any unnecessary Instagram accounts, helping you keep your social media life a bit more organized. Thank you so much for tuning into Foxtech. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. And with that, I'll say peace.